Colorado Springs Utilities is always looking for new and innovative ways to maintain our system and provide low-cost power for our customers. We began installing underground infrastructure in the 1960s, and now we are trying to get ahead of the failures that we've seen on our cables as those cables have aged.
The underground cables were only designed to last about 30 years. We want to rejuvenate these cables so they will last another 20 to 40 years.
Cable injection allows us to proactively address those cables and the aging of those cables before they fail and cause an outage. It allows us to inject a fluid into the wire that renews the insulation layer of that cable. By renewing the insulation layer of that cable, we prevent that inner current carrying conductor from making contact with ground and thus preventing the cable failure.
So there's a significant cost saving to our customers by injecting the cable to rejuvenate it rather than replacing it.
The cost savings of cable injection versus cable replacement is over $1 million a year.
Colorado Springs Utilities is a pioneer in the keyhole industry. Keyhole is a newer technology to do some of the common tasks associated with gas construction. We can do anything ranging from vacuuming a hole for a power pole where electric crews cannot get a truck to assisting the water crews on pinpointing leaks. Traditionally, to install a test point on a gas main, you'd have a large amount of equipment out here, as well as usually a 4-person crew. Using the keyhole technology, we can do the exact same job in an 18-inch core versus traditional method of a 3-foot wide by 5-foot tall bell hole. Do it in half the time with half the amount of employees. Now we can put this core, reinstate it back in place, not only saving the ratepayer money, but now you don't even feel it and never know that we're actually in there doing any work at all. Saving the average customer $700 to $1,000 per hole. It feels great to know that we're actually saving people money by using the new technology.
Colorado Springs Utilities has 3 wastewater treatment plants. When wastewater comes into our plant, it first is screened for coarse materials such as grit and rags, then goes through a primary treatment process where we remove some of the organics in the wastewater, and from there it goes into our ultraviolet disinfection system where we treat the water to remove any type of microbes or bacteria. The advantages of using UV disinfection are that it's highly effective in deactivating any type of microbes in the wastewater. It's also very cost effective because we don't have chemical costs, as with gaseous chlorine, and also there's a lot less labor with the UV system. We are saving our customers over $100,000 annually due to the reduction in chemical costs, and we've also saved money due to an optimization of our energy at the plants. As an employee of Colorado Springs Utilities and also as a ratepayer, I take a lot of pride in making sure that we do what's best for our community. We're not only environmental stewards, but we want to make sure we provide a cost-effective service to our customers.